Hello everyone, welcome to week 13 for BCOM 3113. I want to apologize for being a few days behind on this week's update video. As you can tell, my background has changed. I finally moved to the new business building, and it is as awesome as everyone has probably thought it is. So if you are on campus, and you obviously have probably experienced it, but if you're not, next time you are in Stillwater, you definitely need to come and check out the new digs. They're pretty great. But that being said, I just want to make sure that you guys are all on board with what we're doing this week. We're heading, like I said, the finish line is in sight this semester now, so you should be hard at work on your report assignment. We have Chapter 12 reading is due by this Sunday, so make sure you read that. There's a lot of really good information that's relevant to the report that you're working on. There's a lecture video where I try to kind of make those connections between the assignment of what the report itself and then what Chapter 12 talks about. In addition to those of you that have experience, obviously, of working on reports in the real world, right? So the final thing is you have that last extra credit assignment for the semester for the video for CEO Day. Again, that was John C. Smith. He's the CEO of TMA Systems in Tulsa software company. He generously donated his time and came and spoke to my face-to-face classes, and so ITLE filmed it so that you guys could also reap that reward. So make sure that you check that out and take that opportunity. Again, I want you to, the research for the report is time consuming, working on the report's time consuming. Your odds of success just trying to throw it together at the last minute are pretty low. So I want you to be working on it right now, and several of you have already reached out to me with questions, and I want to encourage that some more. So get to work, and if you have any more questions, let me know. Have a great week.